What are micronutrients? These include vitamins, minerals, trace elements, and secondary plant ingredients that are vital for the body and protect against free radicals. These are substances that do not provide energy but are essential for the proper functioning of our body. Micronutrients are elements that the body cannot synthesize, with some exceptions. Accordingly, they must be ingested with food. Taking an adequate amount is essential, especially in early childhood and in other periods of rapid growth, during pregnancy and breastfeeding. It seems you want to know more about it. Let's dig more in the detail. Micronutrients have different tasks in the human body. Some of the nutrients are responsible for ensuring the continuous operation of all metabolisms, and this is also closely related to the healthy growth of hair. Therefore, it is very important to provide micronutrients and prevent micronutrient deficiencies. What are micronutrients in food? What are micronutrients in food? The different foods also contain different micronutrients in different amounts and compositions. Eating a wide range of different whole foods can fill any gaps in the diet and undoubtedly give our health benefits. Fruits and vegetables contain many micronutrients. Here is a list of foods that are rich in a large variety of important micronutrients. Whole grains, oats, quinoa, buckwheat, rice, and amaranth supply B vitamins and minerals such as manganese and phosphorus. These foods may be part of a balanced diet, but it is advisable to consume vegetables and fruits in proportion. Beans and legumes. They are an excellent source of fiber and are ideal for digestion and naturally for cholesterol. They also offer mineral salts such as manganese, calcium, phosphorus, iron, and folic acid. Seeds and nuts. Flaxseed, chia, hemp, walnuts, and almonds are rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. They are also a great source of antioxidants and micronutrients such as vitamin E, selenium, magnesium, boron, and choline. Colored vegetables. Broccoli, cauliflowers, squash, green and red peppers, carrots, asparagus, artichokes, mushrooms and tomatoes. These are proved excellent for potassium, vitamin A and C, magnesium, and fiber source. Green leafy vegetables. All types of vegetables are excellent sources of vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K, folic acid, and magnesium. Considering how low-calorie greens such as cabbage, spinach, fruits and berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, melon, pineapple, apples, pears, and kiwis are all rich in antioxidants and nutrients such as flavonoids, vitamins A and C, fiber and potassium. Berries are particularly rich in antioxidants and are better for brain health and cancer prevention. What are micronutrients for plants? Micronutrients for plants. The normal growth of plants requires the maintenance of some micronutrients, trace elements. Plants do not have much demand for these elements, but they play important biological functions in plants. In general, plants can absorb trace element particles from minerals in the soil. At present, there are 8 trace elements necessary for plant survival: iron, Fe, boron, B, chlorine, Cl, manganese, Mn, zinc, Zn, copper, Cu, molybdenum, Mao, nickel, Ni. Plants obtain these trace elements from decomposed organic matter. These micronutrients remain under the soil as salts, so plants consume these elements in the form of ions. Micronutrient deficiencies. Micronutrient deficiencies, iron, vitamin A, and iodine deficiencies are known as the world's 3 major micronutrient deficiencies, with iron deficiency being the most common. Iodine deficiency causes cretinism, an endemic goiter, and other iodine deficiency disorders. Iron deficiency because of hemoglobin. Macronutrients and micronutrients. Macronutrients and micronutrients. Proteins, fats, and carbohydrates are called macronutrients required in large quantities, while micronutrients in small quantities are vitamins and minerals that are trace amounts of nutrients that are necessary to maintain human development and metabolic functions properly. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to our channel.